Low-tech DIY mini dehydrator plus raw garlic powder. I use fruit carton tray and make lots of tiny holes with a fondue fork. I'm drying organic garlic as true raw organic garlic powder is very rare to find. Peel each clove, put them over a paper towel and place them in the mini dehydrator. Place it on a full-on radiator, cover with a towel and let it dry for a week or until no moisture left. And 1 week later, cloves are completely dried. I have a second-hand coffee grinder just for herbs and spices. This is how dried it needs to be, crumbling with a bit of pressure. Put all the cloves in coffee grinder and blitz to a fine powder. It smells amazing, fragrant but mild and not too strong at all. Although it looks and tastes like it has been roasted, this is a raw food and therefore all its living powerful enzymes are still intact. Store it in a glass jar and enjoy it in all your salads, soups, sauces, etc. A little goes long, long way. Et voilà! Easy, fast, delectable, almost gourmet standard, rare, raw, organic garlic powder. Using a free DIY ultra low tech sustainable mini dehydrator. But wait, extra bonus idea incoming. Use the netting wrap the garlic comes in as a sprouting jar mesh lid for any size seeds. And voila, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe.